Let me ask you a simple question. Do you know you already have at least three skills that can make you money right now, even if you don't think you're talented or special? In fact, every single day you've been using skills that other people around the world will gladly pay for. Talking, typing, etc. But because these things feel normal to us, we don't count them as skills. Today, I'm going to show you real websites that pay you for the skills you already use every day. No degree, no certificate, no complicated setup. And trust me, the last one will shock you because it's something almost all of us do without thinking. So stay with me till the end. It might be the video that changes how you see yourself forever. Talkatives like me, the talker. Now, some people are natural talkers. They don't force it. They just enjoy conversation. Maybe that's you. Do you know that your ability to talk can make you money? Now, the websites you can actually explore are Cambly, Fiverr, Rent a Friend, Powfish. On Cambly, for example, you simply talk to people who want to practice English. No teaching certificates, no big grammar, just conversation. You get paid per minute. People pay because talking with a real person boosts confidence faster. Are you that person who always plan the group trip or remind your friends of deadlines or keep things neat and structured? Congratulations, you have a skill companies will pay for. Now, the websites you can actually explore, we have Belay, Zatra, virtual assistant jobs, and we have Upwork. Now, what you would do: reply to emails, manage schedules, arrange Zoom meetings, remind people of deadlines, organize files, basic online errands. And why people would pay? Entrepreneurs, YouTubers, small business owners, they're busy. They'll pay someone who can reduce their stress. So if you're naturally organized, this is your superpower. Every day you scroll, you post things, you like pictures, you follow trends. It feels normal, Abby. But brands desperately need people who understand how social media works, especially young people. Now, the sites you can actually explore, we have Latium, we have reviews, Fiverr, we have Upwork, and we have IntelliFluence. So you can end by writing funny captions, check if a video feels trendy, test content for engagement, review marketing campaigns, give feedback on ads, run a simple page using Canva. No advanced advertising, just simple, relatable social media knowledge. There is money in what you already enjoy. If you type fast, or you're good at listening and writing at the same time, this part is for you. Now, the websites you can actually explore, we have Scribie, we have Go Transcripts, we have Transcribe Me, we have Revs and the likes of them. Now, you could transcribe meetings, convert voice note to text, subtitle YouTube videos, transcribe interviews. Now, businesses need clear written records and they don't always have time. Even students pay for transcription. This is perfect for quiet people who like structured work. So you know those people that who always drop funny WhatsApp statuses, like they write longer captions than the post itself. That's me. Or tell stories in a way that make everyone laugh. That is a paid skill. Now you can use website like Fiverr, Coffee, Medium Partner Program, Vocal Media. Now you can earn by writing funny captions, comedy scripts, short stories, simple storytelling, YouTube scripts, skit ideas, blog style post. Now a Nigerian guy made $300 writing funny TikTok video ideas for brands. Just ideas, no recording, no acting, just creativity. Your mind of indeed has money. So earlier I was scrolling on YouTube and I saw a video of somebody who said she made 6 million naira from editing videos, and that's actually true. Now, if you've ever used CapCut, InShot, VN or iMovie, even if you just edited a birthday video, you already have a skill people want. Now, website like Upwork, People Per Hour, Fiverr, yeah, that's just about that. Now, the demand for short form editors is insane. She was specific. She said she edits very short videos for clients. YouTubers, businesses, coaches, content creators, restaurants, even churches would pay you for this particular skill. Everyone needs someone who can cut clips, add captions, sync audio, and export clean videos. Now you always get jobs because short videos dominate the internet, like I said earlier, and people cannot keep up. So if you enjoy piecing videos together, even likely there is money in it. You may not be a professional teacher, but if you can explain things simply, that is a skill many people struggle with. Now, Superprof, Coursera Project Tutors, Udemy, Skillshare are all websites you can actually explore. What can you teach? Cooking, makeup, hair care, skincare, singing, drawing, finance basic, languages, even how to use apps like Canva or CapCut. Now, you don't need to be an expert, you just need to be one step ahead of the learner. Record once and end forever. This section is for those persons that cannot keep their opinions to themselves. Now, do you always have an opinion? Do you love reviewing things? Do you love saying these things make sense, but that one doesn't? This is a marketable skill. And the websites you can explore, we have user testing, respondent.io, userbrain, try my UI. Now, they'll pay you for reviewing apps, giving feedback on new websites, testing app features, recording your reaction to product, sharing what confuses you on a web page. You don't need experience. All you need right here is honesty. Be honest about what you're actually reviewing. People want to know what you feel about a particular product, a website, or just about that. This particular one will shock a lot of persons. Now, if you're someone who can stay connected and be present, you can literally be paid for being a focus partner, accountability buddy, a silent co-worker. On platforms like FocusMate, people pay to work while you stay on video quietly, helping them stay focused, doing nothing. You just be there. You get paid for it. This is not powerful. Before you rush off or listen to this carefully, we live in a world where the internet doesn't reward only the smartest people or the educated one. It rewards people who use what they already know. Every one of the skills I listed can earn you money. So stop telling yourself you don't have any skills. You do. You've always had them. You just didn't know people were willing to pay for them. Now, if you want me to break down any of this website or make a part 2, drop a comment below. And if you found value in this video, hit the like button so more people can see this information. Your skill is money, let the world pay for it. And please hit the subscribe button.